So a bird leaves its nest, flies back and forth. Distance between the nest and the dish is 200 meters. So back and forth is 400 meters. Back and forth. And it does this 15 times, so that times 15. So 4 times 15 is 60, and then the 2 more. So that's 6,000 meters, okay? So it needs to cover 6,000 meters. It does that 1.5 hours and 3/2 hours. So that's 4,000 meters. 1 hour. Is the rate, and then but this one wants it kilometers per hour, so to convert to kilometers, I need meters to cancel. And that'll be 4 kilometers in 1 hour.